Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar from General Pipe Cleaners here with the JM-1000X, the new and improved X-Factor version of our very popular JM-1000. You know, we always say that small jetters are the next big thing because plumbers, drain cleaners have been telling us for years that half to 3/4 of the grease that's gunking up today's drains are within about 10-15 feet of a kitchen sink down the drain. And you need a small jetter to get at it. And this fits the bill. It comes with a couple different types of hoses. It comes with the Super Flex vinyl hose that comes either 30 or 50 feet, or what we have on the machine today, which is a stainless steel 3/16 flex with a Teflon core. Very durable, more efficient, more pressure and flow actually gets to the nozzle head. Very, very durable. So let's show how this works first. Picture worth 1,000 words, right? So the nozzle, the backward spray from the nozzle basically scours the inside of the pipe. So when you're done, it looks like a new pipe. It does a much better job than, let's say, a snake-style machine if you went in there to try to clear an obstruction. So this was specifically designed for kitchen sinks, multifamily dwellings, things like that. Anything with small pipes where it's difficult to get at with a larger hose or with a snake-style machine. We've redesigned it. So the motor and the pump are more durable and positioned in the middle. So this is more ergonomically correct, and you can wrap the hose around the inside of the toolbox, which fits conveniently in your truck or in your room. So all you need to do is grab it, take it to the job, hook it up underneath the sink, and go to work. You'll be done before you know it. So again, the JM-1000X, the X-Factor, the next new and improved version of the JM-1000. Take it to your next job. Any more information, you can call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200 or our website, drainbrain.com. So General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.